Hello friends, welcome to Prismatic online class. In this class, we are still at what quadratic equation, a subtopic known as symmetric properties of quadratic equation. Now, what are we going to do? Look at this. We are going to master this symmetric identity. Symmetric properties of what? Quadratic equation. We must master their what? Identities. Like this one, alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? Alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. So this is the symmetric properties you must identify. That is like a formula. Why solving anything in symmetric properties of a quadratic equation, you need to acknowledge this formula. Okay, thank you. Look at the question on the board, because we are going to use this formula to solve all these problems in what are symmetric properties of quadratic equations. So look at the question. The question says if alpha comma beta are the roots of what? 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0, where alpha is greater than what? Beta, comma, find the value of what? A, alpha square plus beta square. B, alpha minus beta all squared. C, alpha minus beta. D, alpha square minus beta square. E, 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. E, 1 over alpha squared plus 1 over beta square. D, alpha cube minus beta alpha cube plus beta cube. D, alpha cube minus what? Beta cube. How do we solve this? We are going to follow them one after the other. So solution. From this place we have that 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 must be equivalent to form of what? Quadratic equation, which says that ax square plus bx plus c. Now, how do we get this in? Where our a is equals to 3, b equal to minus 2, and c equals to minus 1. Okay. Always recall that our sum of the root, which is alpha plus beta, sum of the given root is equal to what? Minus b over a. That is minus b. What is that? This is our minus into minus 2 over what? A is what? 3. Finally, this will cancel this. It means that alpha plus beta is equal to what? 2 over 3. Now, why our beta alpha is equal to, you always remember that beta alpha is equal to c over what? A. And our c here is what? 1 minus 1 over what? A, which is 3. So our alpha, the sum of the given root, which is what? Alpha plus beta is 2 over 3. While the product of the given root, which is a over c, is equal to minus 1 over 3. So what do we do here? We need to go back to the identity that they say solution A. That's A that says alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 into what? Okay, minus 2 alpha beta. We have this one, which is now 2 over 3 all square minus 2 times minus 1 over 3 all square. What do we have? Finally, we are going to have 4. 2 times 2, 4 over 9. Minus 2 times minus 1 give us plus what? Plus 2 over 3. So, okay. Now, coming back to this again, we have what? 4D as LCM is equal to what? 9. 9 go to 9. 1 time this will give us 4. 3 go to this 3. 3 times this will give us what? 6. So that means that this is equal to what? 10 over what? 9. That means our alpha square plus beta square is equal to what? 10 over what? 9. And that is our answer. So that is how to solve it. That is how to solve it. That is how to solve it. So we are going to look at what? B. Solution B. Okay, thank you. Solution B. And solution B here says B says alpha minus beta all square. The identity is what? The identity, pick the identity. The identity says alpha plus beta all square minus what? 4 alpha beta. Always remember that our alpha beta here is 2 over 3 all square minus 4 into what? Minus 1 over 3 or like this. So which this will give us what? 4 over 9 plus 4 over 3. Now our LCM is what? 9. 9 go to 9 times this, which is 4. 9 go to 3 is 3. 3 times this will give us a plus what? 12. So that means alpha minus beta all square is equal to what? 16 over what? 9. And that is our answer. Okay. C, let's say this place, C. What they say? They say we should find alpha minus beta square. If alpha minus beta square is equal to 16 over 9. So what do we do? How do we get this in? We square root the both side. That means square root of alpha plus alpha minus beta all square is equal to square root of what? 16 over what? 9. So this square root will cancel this. We are left with what? That alpha minus beta is equal to square root of 16 is what? 4. Square root of this is what? 3. So the answer is what? Answer solution C. Your answer is what? 4 over 3. So and that is how to solve it. I'll solve solution E and you finish up the remainder. You solve it. Solution E. Okay. Thank you. That solution E, we have that solution E. We have that 1 over alpha plus what again? 1 over beta. What do we do? Find their LCM. Find their LCM. And the LCM alpha times this will give us alpha beta. Either you say 1 times this will give us beta. 1 times this one will give us what? Alpha. So what do we do? It means that 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equals to, turn this in upside down. We can have it as beta plus alpha all over what? Alpha beta. From the equation, we always recall, from when we drive it, we recall that alpha plus beta is equals to 2 over 3, while alpha beta is equals to minus 1 over 3. So what do we have here? We have 2 over 3 divided by minus 1 over 3. What do? We turn them, we invert them. This is the same thing as saying 2 over 3 multiplied by what? 3 over minus 1, which will give us what? 6 over minus 3. This will cancel. We have it as what? 1 over alpha beta plus 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equals to what? Minus 2 as our answer. So that is how to use this trigonometry. Use this symmetric properties of for quadratic equation to solve a case like this. So you can solve D, G, F, and H. Drop it at the comment section. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatics Online Class. Bye.